Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out LinkedIn. First of all, open the LinkedIn app. Now click on this profile icon. Here on the bottom, tap on settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here at the second last option, you can see sign out option. Click on it. Now select sign out. So you have signed out your LinkedIn account. This is the easiest and fastest way to sign out your account from LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps.